In this video, I'll show you how to bleed the cooling system on a BMW F22 with an electric coolant pump. This procedure is done using a built-in bleeding function, activated from inside the car. Let's start. First, turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. Next, turn the heater on and set the temperature to the maximum on both sides, 28 degrees Celsius. Make sure the fan is on. Now fully press the accelerator pedal and hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, release the pedal. The electric coolant pump is now activated and will run automatically for approximately 11 to 12 minutes, bleeding air from the cooling system. During this process, make sure to check and top up the coolant level as needed. And that's it, the cooling system bleeding process is complete. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.